Hi, my name is Praveena Rajan. My metric number is H18A0778. Today I like to talk about case study on Save the Animals in the Zoo Negara. The Zoo Negara Malaysia is managed by the Zoological Society of Malaysia, a non-governmental organization established to create the first local zoo for Malaysia. So there are 5,137 specimens of 76 species of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and fish. Zoo Negara covers an area of 110 acres located just 5 km from Kuala Lumpur city. The temporary closure during MCO is a major challenge to cover the operating costs of Zoo Negara because Zoo Negara earns money through ticket sales, event rentals, company sponsorship and public donation. So this is proven that Zoo Negara is in critical financial problem during MCO. Due to COVID-19, zoo was closed and has been affected just like other business. In order for the zoo to overcome the situation, they cannot depend on the government and other donation. So the zoo itself responsibility to improvise and innovate new ideas and activities, expand their choices for the shopping options with reasonable price, bringing more delicious to the dining areas and interesting show with valuable tickets packages. Due to COVID-19, zoo was closed and has been affected just like other business. In order for the zoo to overcome the situation, they cannot depend on the government and other donation. So the zoo itself has responsibilities to overcome the problem. The zoo has to improvise and innovate new ideas for activities, expand their choices for their shopping option with reasonable prices, bringing in more delicious to their dining areas and interesting shows with valuable ticket packages. So the zoo can attract more visitors by innovating new or improvising their current activities which was customers to try. Especially during the pandemic, everyone is keen on trying new things as they call it a trend. So when it's come to shopping option, the zoo can bring more souvenirs or gifts which different and new from they had. And so Zoo Negara also can sell small size animal printed bottle cover for RM1 ringgit or RM2 ringgit upon checkout. This small donation will help the fund for the wildlife conservation efforts in the region. Okay, as mentioned earlier, due to the COVID-19 situation, a lot of people are attracted towards trendy stuff. So many food, bringing delicious that are delicious and reasonable prices will definitely boost the zoo income. For example, the zoo can offer exclusive packages that include food and beverages, dining in the zoo, food trucks, and also provide local and western food menus with halal. Zoo Negara also can implement some interesting shows such as safari, elephant presentation and more. After a long pandemic, people are planning to travel and they look for the best places to enjoy themselves with their family. So Zoo Negara also offers some packages in their ticket by reducing prices in some specific days. So everyone can have the opportunity to enjoy animals and their talent shows. For recommendation, as we know, the Zoo Negara is in the critical financial problem. So the zoo need to for the recommendation, when life returns to normal visitors, visitors will plan to visit local zoos, aquarium and marine mammal park, either daily visitors or attend a special event with expedition. So Zoo Negara can offer many creative, exciting programs such as summer camp, special access and VIP programs, foods and shows experience, and family accommodation. So, for example, the Singapore Zoo is introduced glamcation to attract more tourists. So they are more welcoming for the new glamcation. And then corporate sponsorship and donation. Corporate and sponsorship donation is good for Zoo Negara even during normal operating hours. While many business may experience a loss of revenue for those who are rebounding and want to make meaningful contribution, they also can contact a Zoo Negara and consider sponsorship or product donation as needed. The second one is Zoo Negara management can provide zoo membership for visitors to the zoo. So like zoo membership often have additional benefits such as discounts at gifts, shops and concession of free parking and access to VIP events. So the membership fees are very helpful with for zoo operating expenses, and zoo will more depend on these funds during and after an outbreak. So the Zoo Negara also have a social partnership, which is social media allows young people to share the most important memories of their journey with a large audience. So the key to business success is gathering social shares, positive user reviews and customer satisfaction on social media. The zoo should use interesting photos and awesome videos that are simple and fun to benefit from the impact of social media on tourism industry. Okay, how can we put this solution in action? This crisis is an opportunity to rethink tourism for the future. So tourism is at crossroads and measures implemented today will shape tomorrow's tourism. So governments need to consider the long-term implication of the implication of the crisis more sustainable and resilient tourism economy. For example, Anwanto and Mata play major role and they are responsible for the development and promotion of tourism at the world level. For the challenges, while positive news about the vaccine has boosted the expectation of tourism business and travelers, challenges remain. So the launch of vaccine will take some time and the sector has the potential to face a stop for some times. They will further damage the confidence of businesses and travelers and prospect of business continuity. Meanwhile, the bigger challenge for industry is implement new marketing and sales strategies to increase revenue, manage costs, operate productively and multitask. The industry is expected to take a lean and meaningful management approach with the aim improving performance. The tourism industry highly competitive. Once travel companies are aware of the possible benefit of social media for their business, they use way to increase their brand awareness. While most zoos are technically non-profit, they can generate enough money to generate large salaries. Overall, zoos have reduced their exhibition late even as they continue to raise admission prices. This is due to very high bill and cut in city or donor funding. In conclusion, the Zoo Negara must take initiative to implement the solution for the future to avoid the financial crisis to the Zoo Negara. Thank you.